I think Samsung checked the right set of boxes with the S21.
I really do love everything that we get within the native camera app.
Single take mode, 8K video, the director's mode, which lets you record video from multiple cameras simultaneously.
Selfies look really good and come out way less processed.
Samsung's portrait mode is now the best portrait mode in any smartphone.
This new camera design that wraps right into the frame looks super modern.
This feels really nice.
This matte black has been shockingly good at rejecting fingerprints.
Rose gold on the sides. Love that combination.
Everything else about this design, I think, is as good as it gets.
Battery life has been really solid.
This is a huge OLED that will finally do 1440p resolution and 120 Hz at the same time.
Split screen multitasking, pop-up windows, edge panels. The phone powers through everything I want to throw at it.
I have no problem recommending this phone. I actually really like it.